Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply create goals in Clickup. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to left down corner and you're gonna see right here, goals, right? Click on it, and now you just click set a goal. Goal name, what do you want to do? Let's say, I don't know, 100,000 subscribers. Owner, I choose me. You can like enter more people who can access this goal. You can like private or just everyone. Is there a date this goal to be completed by? Let's go, I don't know, only due date, and we will have December 31, close. Okay. Description, my goal is to have 100k subscribers combined with all channels. I am right now at 35k. Click OK. Enter. Now we gotta progress and create target. Target specific and measurable pieces that must be accomplished in order to reach your goal. So what you can do is like target name. Let's go, I don't know, 50,000 subscribers. Okay. Owner, again me. Okay. Number. Now, how do you want to measure these results? Currency, track on completion of task, or number. So start, I have 0 or like 35,000. Target is 50,000. Also, you can like done or not done. This is also another way how you can do it. It's like really up to you. Probably I'm going to choose the true and false now. Or task is like really up to you. Like task to the target. Okay, and now we can have it, right? So voila, here we have the timeline. You can also create different everything here, and yeah. So you can also create a new goal if you want to. It's like really up to you. And this is pretty much it. And this is how you create goals here. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And you can create like multiple targets. Add a task if you want to. And you can like create finish now. And voila, whoa! And if you have like 10 of them, 10 goals, it's going to be different, right? So have a great day and goodbye.